Dear students, my name is Bilal Khan and this is your Pakistan Studies book for class 8. Dear students, today we have started the first chapter and that is ideological basis of Pakistan. Students, I told you that in this chapter you learn about meaning of ideology, Pakistan ideology, kinds of ideology. Second topic is about sources of ideology. The third topic is about needs and significance of ideology. The fourth topic is base and components of ideology of Pakistan. The fifth one is two-nation theory, its evolution, Muslim League and two-nation theory. The last topic is about the ideology of Pakistan in the light of the statement of Allama Iqbal and Quaid-e-Azam. Students, we have learned that Pakistan is an ideological state, and why we call Pakistan an ideological state, because it is based on ideology, and that ideology is when certain people of society agree to achieve an objective, it gives birth to an ideology. Every movement has an ideology behind it which highlights the object or target. What is ideology? An ideology is a set of opinions or beliefs of a group or an individual. Very often ideology refers to a set of political beliefs or a set of ideas that characterize a particular culture. This was the definition of ideology. And in this topic we have learned that every nation has predetermined ideology, and the collective thinking of that nation is known as ideology of Pakistan, ideology of that nation. Now, what is ideology of Pakistan? Ideology of Pakistan is the collective thinking that guided the Muslim in this aim was that the Muslim were separate nation. Which aim? That the Muslim were separate nation from Hindus and they should have their own separate homeland. This national objective and the collective thinking behind the fulfillment of this objective is called ideology of Pakistan. ठीक हो गया। ये दो टॉपिक्स आज हमने पढ़ लिए। इसमें यह था कि आइडियोलॉजी, पाकिस्तान आइडियोलॉजी क्या है और पाकिस्तान को आइडियोलॉजिकल स्टेट क्यों कहते हैं। मैंने आपको लेक्चर में समझा दिया है कि पाकिस्तान को आइडियोलॉजिकल स्टेट इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि पाकिस्तान जो है वो आइडियोलॉजी की बुनियाद पर मारिज़ वजूद में आया है। इसके बाद फिर मैंने आपको ये समझाया कि national ideology, every nation has predetermined ideology, and the collective thinking or the collective wisdom of that nation is considered as or is known as the ideology of that nation. पाकिस्तान आइडियोलॉजी क्या है? पाकिस्तान आइडियोलॉजी जो नेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव है हमारा, यानी हमारे मुसलमानों का बिफोर क्रिएशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान, द नेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मुस्लिम वर टू क्रिएट अ मुस्लिम स्टेट फॉर Muslims in order to live their life according to the teachings of Islam, and this is known as the ideology of Pakistan. उसके बाद फिर मैंने आपको ये कहा कि आप होमवर्क जो है ना फर्स्ट चैप्टर का याद करें नोट से, और ये आप लोगों का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी ऑफ पाकिस्तान and this is the answer. Okay dear students, this was today's lecture. Thank you so much. God bless you.